Hi children, welcome to a new class. Today we are going to discuss acids, bases and salts. You know, in our daily life, we use large number of food materials, and you might have noticed that all these food materials have different taste. Some are sour in taste, some are bitter in taste, some food materials are sweet in taste, like that. So you can see in this table, I have listed the number of certain substances and we have to find out their corresponding taste. First, lemon juice. Lemon juice, you know, what is the taste of lemon juice? Yes, sour in taste. So here we can write sour. Then what about orange juice? That is also sour in taste. Vinegar? Yes, vinegar we used to make pickles, isn't it? What's the taste? Sour in taste. Then curd, a milk product. What's the taste? Again, that is sour in taste. And tamarind or imli. What is the taste of imli? Yes, that is also sour in taste. So majority of the food materials are sour in taste. Sugar, yes, that is sweet taste. Then common salt, yes, that is salty. We can write salty. Then baking soda, this amla. Amla, what is the taste of amla? That again is sour in taste. Then baking soda. Have you tasted baking soda? You can just take a bit and place it in your tongue. You can feel the taste. That is bitter taste. Then grapes, again, that is sour in taste. Yes, unripe mango is also sour in taste. So we have seen these food materials. They are different in their taste, and the taste of food material which are sour taste. Some food materials are sour in taste, some food materials are salty, and there are certain other food materials which are bitter in taste. And let us find out why some food materials are sour in taste. It is because these food materials contain certain chemicals. So all food material contain chemicals. So particularly these food material which are sour in taste contain a particular chemicals called acids. So acids, what is the taste of acids? Yes, acids are sour in taste. Acids are sour in taste. And why this name acids given? How this word acid is originated? It is originated from a Latin word. The Latin word is that is acid. Acid is a Latin word acid. What is the meaning of acid? Acid, the meaning is sour. So it is from the Latin word acid that this acid, the name of acid is derived. It is derived from, the name acid is derived from this Latin word called acid, but the meaning of acid is sour. Even though all these food materials are sour in taste, they are not equal. Their taste are somewhat different. For example, lemon juice. The sour taste of lemon juice is different from the sour taste of vinegar. And that is different from the sour taste of tamarind. These are all having different tastes. So the difference in taste of these food materials is because these food materials contain different type of acids in that. Understood? So acids are of different type, and we are going to discuss So acids we can generally classify into two groups, that is mineral acids and organic acids. Which are the two groups? Mineral acids and organic acids. We are going to discuss the acids which are present in the organisms. So we can say the acids present in the organism as organic acids. Organic acids. Understood? So let us discuss a few acids and their food materials. Name of acid and found in where they are found. See, acetic acid is found in vinegar. You know acetic acid that we use for preparing pickles, and that is found in acetic acid is found in vinegar. Formic acid is found in ant sting. You know, when an ant bites us, it injects an acid into our body, and that acid is called formic acid. Formic acid is present in ant sting. Next is citric acid. Citric acid is present in citrus fruits like oranges, lemon, musambi, etc. What is citric acid? Yes, citric acid. There is an acid present in citrus fruits. Citrus fruit. They are citric acid. Next, lactic acid. Lactic acid is present in curd. Oxalic acid is present in spinach. Spinach, all of you know, a leafy vegetables. So that leafy vegetable, the spinach, contains an acid called oxalic acid, and ascorbic acid is present in amla, citrus fruits, etc. Ascorbic acid is otherwise called vitamin C. Then tartaric acid, tamarind, you know, tamarind contain tartaric acid. So tartaric acid is present in tamarind, grapes, and unripe mango, etc. You know, unripe mango is very sour in taste. Tamarind also, because they contain an acid called tartaric acid. Then names of few bases, name of base and sources where they are found in. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is present in lime water. You don't confuse lime water and lime juice. Lemon, you know, lemon, citric acid, lemon juice is different, and lime water is different. Lime water means there is, you know, tuna, you know that. Then when the tuna is mixed with the water, we get a solution. That is called lime water. Ammonium hydroxide, you know, window cleaners, and the window cleaner contain an base. Window cleaner contain a base called ammonium hydroxide. Then sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxides are present in soap. You know, soap is made by using sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide and some plant oil, example coconut oil. At last, magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is found in milk of magnesia. You have studied that our stomach produces one acid called hydrochloric acid. Sometimes our stomach secretes too much of acid, and this too much of acid cause pain in our stomach, and it causes indigestion as well. So to relieve indigestion, we use milk of magnesia, which is a base, and this base neutralizes the effect of acid. So that milk of magnesia they are called antacids. It acts against acid. That is why that it's called antacid. Some substances contain acids and some substances contain base. And you know, these are all chemicals. And how to test whether a given substance is an acid or base? How we test? Indicators are substances which are used to identify whether a given substance is an acid or a base. There are certain indicators which we can prepare from our nature. So such indicators that we So natural indicators. In the first chapter we have studied lichen. Do you remember lichen? Yes, you may be remembering this lichen are of different type, and one such lichen which are seen in the forest. You know, these tribes people, they collect lichen from the bark of trees. Okay, these lichen are of different type. The lichen that which we usually see in our daily life is this, the bark of trees. You might have seen lichen. In the bark of trees, you can see these green colored patches, and these green colored patches are nothing but lichen. So from this lichen, by using, so it is a forest product actually. It's a forest product. You can see the tribal people, they are collecting this lichen. For what purpose? This is used for making natural indicator. So this lichen is used to prepare certain dyes which are used to make litmus paper. From lichen we make an indicator named litmus paper. Litmus is an indicator. An indicator called litmus is prepared from lichen. Okay, so what is this litmus? Litmus is a natural indicator. So it's a natural indicator. We have seen that from lichen we obtain litmus. Litmus is a natural dye. So using this natural dye we prepare litmus. Litmus is available in two forms. One is litmus red solution and litmus blue solution. Red litmus solution and blue litmus solution. Both these solution can be used as acid-base indicator. And another form is litmus paper. Litmus paper, red is the litmus paper, blue is the litmus papers, and from this you can take the slips. A strip from blue litmus and a strip from red litmus we can take. You can test these acids and base. This litmus paper, red and blue, is used to test the presence of acid or base. You have we have discussed sodium hydroxide. It is used to make soap, isn't it? We can test whether sodium hydroxide is an acid or a base by using this litmus paper. First we can take blue litmus paper. Let us dip blue litmus paper in this sodium hydroxide. See, it remains blue. Then now we can test it with red litmus paper. See, red litmus paper turned blue. What is the meaning of that? Yes, it's a base. Okay, when we dipped red litmus into a basic solution, what happened? It turned blue color. Bases turn red litmus blue. Now we can test acids by using red and blue litmus paper. I have taken dilute HCl. Dilute HCl means hydrochloric acid. So dilute HCl by mixing hydrochloric acid with water. So I have taken hydrochloric acid in the test tube. See, it's hydrochloric acid. See, let us first dip a red litmus paper into an acid solution. See, it remains red color. Okay, so red color litmus paper, if you dip in an acid solution, there is no color change. Now, let us test this solution with the blue litmus paper. See, blue litmus paper turned to red color. So, it's a base. See, blue litmus paper turned to red color. So, acids turn blue litmus into red. Acids turn blue litmus into red. So that is why we say that litmus is an acid based indicator. We can test the presence of acid or base by using litmus paper. Okay. Another natural indicators is turmeric paper. Some turmeric. You have seen turmeric. So make it a paste by mixing with the water. Mix some water in it. Apply it on a sheet of paper. So like this we will get a turmeric paper. Now we can use this turmeric paper as an indicator. Let us test an acid and a base with the turmeric indicator. So I am dipping this brush. Take some acid. So dip the brush in acid and then you can do this activities. See, it's become wet, that's all. There is no color change. Acid. If you apply acid on the turmeric paper, you can see it is remaining same color only. Now I have taken ammonium hydroxide. So take some ammonium hydroxide and you apply it on the paper. See the difference. See, if you apply turmeric indicator, it is like that. This turmeric indicator turn red color. So turmeric paper can be used as an indicator. Turmeric paper. If we apply acid into turmeric indicator, then there is no color change. So at the same time, turmeric paper plus turns to red color. So turmeric indicator, turmeric paper plus base will get red color. It's a China rose flower, bud of a China rose. So it can be used as an indicator. China rose or hibiscus can be used as a natural indicator. Another natural indicator that we are going to discuss is China rose indicator. And how China rose indicator is prepared? See, China rose have boiled. This is boiled China rose. It is China rose solution. Fold it like this, a cone shape. Okay, place it in a funnel. Okay, and place it. Now pour this China rose solution. And let us take this China rose solution into a test tube. This China rose solution you can take into a test tube. Okay. See, there are three test tubes. These three test tubes contain China-rose solution. Sodium hydroxide solution. Add sodium hydroxide solution into one of them. See the color change. When a base is added into China-rose solution, the color become green color, pale green color you can see. Now, into the second test tube, I am going to add this dilute hydrochloric acid solution. See, it become red color. So, acid turn China-rose into red color and bases turn China-rose into green color. It is the original solution. It is orange color. Okay, so you can see the difference. So it is China-rose indicator. If you want to prepare this China-rose paper, that's also possible. China-rose paper also. Just apply the petal of China-rose on the paper. Use sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide you apply on this China-rose. You can see the green coloration. Wash it. After washing the brush, you can dip it into dilute hydrochloric acid. Apply dilute hydrochloric acid here. You can see it is becoming red color. Okay, so acids turn China-rose paper into red color and bases turn China-rose paper into green color. So the China-rose indicator when react with acid acid and base. What is the color difference we have observed? Yes, with the acid, the color become red. So, China-rose indicator when react with the acid, its color turn to red. And at the same time, when China-rose indicator is when we add base on China-rose indicator, what happened? The color become green. So China-rose indicator give red coloration with the acid and green coloration with the base. Green coloration with the base. So this is about the natural indicators. You can make natural indicators. You can make just like I have prepared this turmeric paper, China-rose paper. Likewise, you can prepare many such natural indicator paper. You can apply this tomato on paper. You can apply cabbage on paper. Like that, different vegetables you can apply white sheet of papers. And you can test these papers with the acids as well as bases available in your home. You know, your home you may be having lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid or vinegar or curd. You can test these papers, natural indicators. You can prepare turmeric paper or China-rose paper or cabbage paper, like that. The juice of cabbage can be applied on a sheet of paper and you can prepare such different vegetable, carrot or cabbage, carrot, tomato, etc. can be applied on the paper strip and you can prepare different natural indicator paper and you can test the acids available in your home. For example, this acetic acid or vinegar or lemon juice. You can test this paper with the lemon juice or acetic acid. And you may be having baking soda at home. Baking soda you dissolve in water, we get a basic solution. Apply this basic solution on these natural indicators and list out, make a table, and you can prepare a table, and you can write action of acids and bases on this natural indicator.